Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize font in Realme 14x by changing its size, thickness and style. So first we need to go to settings. Then in settings we need to go to wallpapers and style. Here we need to scroll to the font option. And now we can change a few things. For example, we can change the font style. We can change the font size and we can also change the font thickness. Also we can enable adaptive font weight here, and after we decide on however our font we want to look like, we then need to tap apply, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.